Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Recently, the weather has been extremely scorching, making everyone feel exhausted and suffocated by the heat. That's why I came up with a really cool idea to make a simple homemade air cooler that's budget-friendly yet still highly effective in cooling the air right at home. Today, I'm going to share with you the detailed steps from the materials needed to each assembly step, so that anyone can easily make it themselves. Make sure to watch the entire video to see the final result and find out whether this homemade air cooler actually works well and provides cool air. For today's video, I've prepared some very important items, including a mini water pump, a piece of copper tubing, a foam box, styrofoam box, and of course, ice water. All of these items are easy to find and quite inexpensive. Now, I'm going to start assembling this homemade air cooler. First, I'll use this piece of copper tubing. I'm going to coil it into a spiral shape from the inside out, just like a spring dot. Then, I'll use zip ties to secure the copper coil onto the grill of the fan. The idea is that when the fan runs, air will blow directly through the spiral coils of the copper tube. Later on, I'll pump ice-cold water through the inside of the copper tubing using the mini water pump. When the ice water flows through the copper tube, it will chill the copper coils and, at the same time, cool the air around those spirals, and the fan's job will be to blow that cool air out, helping to make the air in the room much cooler and more comfortable. This is the basic principle that makes this homemade air cooler work effectively, even though it costs far less than buying a commercial air cooler. I think this method is both simple and cost-effective, and it still helps lower the air temperature significantly during hot days. Now, I'm going to finish assembling the remaining parts and get ready to test how well this homemade air cooler actually works.
Quạt này thì rất là phổ thông rồi.
The result honestly surprised me quite a lot. Guys, I never thought that with just simple materials like copper tubing, ice water, and a fan, I'd be able to create such a cool stream of air when the fan runs. The cool air radiating from the copper coils, combined with the strong airflow, significantly lowers the surrounding temperature, making it feel much more comfortable compared to using a regular fan alone. What's more, I could feel a gentle, refreshingly cool mist coming out. But it wasn't too humid, so it didn't feel uncomfortable at all, I have to say. The cooling effect far exceeded my expectations. I think this method is not only cheap and easy to make, but also extremely useful during hot days like these. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch my video today. I hope the things I shared in this video will be helpful for you, especially on hot days like these. Don't forget to leave me a like and a comment to let me know your thoughts, and to give me more motivation to make even better videos. And remember to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any interesting videos coming up. See you all in my next videos. Wishing you a cool and happy day.